Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am from Allied School Superior Barrier Campus Lahore. Class 7 English. Unit 4 page number is 98. Today our topic is perilous player. Khatarnak Khushi. Kindly see the pictures on this page. I hope you understand about which thing we are going to read. और इसको पेरिलस प्लेयर ख़तरनाक खुशी क्यों कहा गया है. लेट्स स्टार्ट द रीडिंग ऑफ दिस पेज. People can easily get confused about sugar. We are supposed to. The sugar pusher go to great lengths to make us and keep us that way. Though the science may be complex, the truth is simple. Refined free sugar is not a food. What is sugar? हमसे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कि शुगर किसे कहते हैं. Sugar takes several forms, most commonly as fructose in fruit and vegetables, lactose in milk, and refined or pure sucrose extracted from sugarcane or beet. There is a formula of sugar: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The metabolism of all sugars supplies energy measured or calories to the human body. Unlike fructose or lactose, sucrose provides only empty or naked calories without any nutrients at all. On the next heading, what does it do to your body? ये हमारी बॉडी के साथ क्या करती है? Sucrose is not digested in the mouth or stomach but passes directly to the lower intestine and hence to the bloodstream and the brain. Unused calories are stored as fat. When starch and refined sugars are eaten together and undergo fermentation, they are broken down into carbon dioxide, acid, alcohol, and water. Sugar unbalances the endocrine system, which includes the adrenal glands, pancreas, and liver, causing the blood sugar level to fluctuate widely. On the next heading, does it make you sick? क्या शुगर आपको बीमार करती है? Good health relies on physical fitness and a balanced diet that delivers all the nutrients the body needs. यहाँ पे कुछ बीमारियों का जिक्र किया गया है जो कि शुगर की वजह से बनती हैं. ओबेसिटी, डायबिटीज़, हार्ट एंड सर्कुलेशन, टूथ डिके, एडिक्शन, सम एसोसिएटेड कंडीशंस. ये उन तमाम कंप्लेंट्स का जिक्र किया गया है जो कि शुगर के नतीजे में हमारे सामने आती हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, format your notebook with date and day. Unit 4 Sugar and Spice, page number is 98. Words meaning. Note down all the words with their meanings. Now write the question answers at page number 99. Question number 1. What is the effect on you of the picture of the boy eating the donut? Picture tell us that it's not a healthy food. Question number 2. How do the picture in perilous player make the page more attractive to the reader? Answer: because pictures are colorful and storytellers. Now students, on the next page of the notebook, write down essay writing. The title of the essay is My House. Living in one's own house is great blessing. Nobody will order to vacate the house at any time. You need not worry about the first of every month for the payment of rent. I live in small house. It is situated in Model Town. It is quite new It has 4 bedrooms beside TV lounge. TV lounge is a big room. All family members generally sit here. It is also reception room. The guests are welcomed there. It is beautifully decorated and well furnished. It is airy and ventilated. My house is covered with wall-to-wall carpet. The atmosphere of house is very peaceful. We can enjoy beautiful scenery and attractive greenery both sides of living room. I have one brother and one sister. We sleep and study in our separate bedrooms. Every bedroom has an attractive bathroom with a large wardrobe with showcase. My father loves to work in garden. Mother look after flowers, but I along my brother field player. This is the end of our lecture. I hope you understand all the lecture. Allah Hafiz.